Guys, welcome back to another video. I know I haven't uploaded in a long time because I've been having a lot of things going on, but yeah, last Sunday was my birthday party. My birthday's on the 31st, so I'd like you to subscribe to give me pretty much a late birthday present, but say hello to my new nerf gun. It's automatic, and it holds up to 13 bullets. I know it's not that much, but it's good for this gun at least. This is the thing. There's another one in there. And I will show y'all how it shoots. It'll sometimes do this. It just does this randomly. There goes all my bullets. But yeah, it's pretty much a new nerf gun. And yeah, I will be getting a new camera soon, so that I can do things better. I can do videos easier. But I really haven't been getting that much support, and my cousin, and I need to get more subscribers to beat my friend. And also because I want to go popular. So, bye guys.